Imagine looking at yourself in the mirror. What do you see? Whatever it is you look like, I bet we can agree on one thing. We see a human being. Now, what if I told you that instead of one being, you are multiple beings? I'm not talking about the dissociative personality disorder here. I'm talking about your microbiome. Your microbiome has been with you since the very second you were born, growing and evolving with you. It is the entity of microorganisms living on your skin and in your body. But the microbiome I'm most interested in is the one in your gut. The gut microbiome is not only essential to break down the food you eat, but it might also influence the way you think. In fact, altering the microbiome by probiotics can boost cognitive performance. In my research, I'm using a more profound way to alter the microbiome. Instead of probiotics, I go in the other way around. I give people stool from other people straight to the colon, which is called a fecal microbiota transplantation. Studies on mice with Alzheimer's disease have shown that giving them stool from healthy mice improves their memory. And it's not just in animals. Some dementia patients can suddenly remember birthdays, dress themselves, and even prepare food again after receiving a stool transplant. Now, who finds pleasure in having another person's feces inserted? Well, my patients suffer from irritable bowel syndrome, a common condition that causes diarrhea, abdominal pain, and constipation. It might be caused by a malcomposition of the microbiome. That's why receiving a healthy microbiome might fix their symptoms. To check if it also enhances their cognitive function, my patients come in for cognitive, blood, and stool tests before receiving the stool transplant, and they come back in 4 times afterwards to repeat these tests. To make sure they actually profit from the stool transplant and not just think they feel better, I invented a placebo that looks just like the real deal, but isn't. I will do the same thing in patients suffering from mild cognitive impairment, which is a prodromal stage of dementia. If changing their microbiome not only improves their gut, but also boosts their brain function, treating dementia might only be a stool donation away. Thank you.